Start off with some Mexican or South American sample and add some effects to it. Add like 3 different types of hats, because why not? Chuck a fat snare in there. And a huge kick to make people on TikTok listening through phone speakers think the song is bass boosted. Finish it off with an 808 and a bit of distortion on the master. Yep, I'm not even joking. Automate the tempo around a bit and do this at the start and end of the track. And here's what it should sound like.